you have not used garlic egg to eat swallow or cook it as soup for swallow, go and try it and come and help me later. Hi lovers, greetings everyone. So guys, join me, let's cook delicious meal today. So we are preparing soup. This is the soup we are cooking, which is called melozana. Here we call it eggplant, guys. So guys, join us, let's cook it together. It's going to be yummy. So here is the pot I want to make use of. Open it and go in with the meat. So I have a shake here. I also have cow meat, guys. So I will season it with onions. This is onions and no Maggi, 2 no Maggi cube. So open it and break it inside. This is the same Maggi I will use to cook the soup. Also go in with your salt. So I'm not using anything else to season it. I'm only using Maggi and onions with salt. Then cover it to cook. Cook it for like 2 minutes before adding water. Okay guys, as you can see, the meat is getting ready to add pepper. So here is the blended pepper with onions. We add it also. Rinse it with water. Pour it inside. Turn it together. So you cannot go in with the water you want to use to cook the soup. So this water is okay. So we have to boil it for like 2 minutes again before adding fish. Okay guys, here is the meat. As you can see, it's boiling. So it's time to go in with the fish you want to make use of. Here is the fish. So we are still going to remove it later. This is tilapia fish, guys. This one, you have to be careful so that it will not scatter, the tilapia fish. So we are removing them later, guys. Then cover it to cook for some minutes. Okay guys, here is the eggplant that we are cooking. So it's already done. We have to remove the water before pounding it, guys. Pound the eggplant. So here is the garlic, guys. We add it inside. So this is what I'm using to pound it. It's already cooked. So pound it with this one. Not too smooth, guys. So if you have mortar, you can use that small mortar to just pound it a little. Yes, as you can see, I'm done pounding it. I'm done. So let's go and remove the fish. Okay guys, it's time to bring out the fish. So we are removing it so that the fish will not break. We're still going to add it. Okay guys, here is my last bunga. Pieces of bunga, we add it inside so that everything will cook together. Add a little red oil. Not too much, oh. I don't like too much red oil in my garlic egg soup. So cover it together, guys. Let it boil very well. Okay guys, it's time to go in with the eggplant. So we cannot go in with the garlic egg. Here is it. You add it inside. You can see that. After adding it, you have to turn it together. The soup is getting ready. So you cannot go in with your crayfish. Here is the crayfish I'm using. The fish, here is the fish. So turn it together, guys. Can you see the soup? There's not too much oil. This is how I like it. If you want to cook your garden soup, don't put too much oil. Test it if there is salt. Let me burn my hand. So let's go in with a little bit of sauce, guys. And also go in with the tilapia fish. and cover it too. Okay guys, let's check our soup. You can see the soup is cooking very well. We have to turn it around. You have to be careful so that it will not bounce in your hand. Very sweet. Okay guys, the soup is ready. As you can see, just take a look at the soup now. This is the egg soup, guys. It's ready. Try it out and come and thank me later, guys. This is it, guys. Please like and share the video. Love you all.